Thank you for doing this drawing exercise with me. Prepare a sheet, a pencil, and an eraser. It can still be used. For this exercise, we are going to draw Kirby. Let's go. Let's start by drawing the top of his head. Now let's do the lower part of his face. Great! Let's draw his left hand. Then his right hand. Now we're going to draw Kirby's eyes. Let's start with the right eye. Then the left eye. Very well. Now let's draw his mouth. Now let's do Kirby's feet. First of all, the right foot. Then now the left foot. We can now draw the line of the lower back. Kirby is almost done. We will finish by drawing her two little cheeks. Let's start with the right cheek. And let's finish with the left cheek. And there you go. You drew Kirby like a real professional. I now show you Kirby's model in color so you can color it correctly. Thanks for spending this time with me. Subscribe and put a thumbs up if you want to draw other characters with me.